Okay, so consider we have this integral up here, and I'm going to switch to a better brush here, and try to move this real quick. Consider we have this integral here. I already factored it out, but I mean, if you had like a quadratic or something, you would just factor it out, right? So what we do with this is the first thing we want to do is we want to just set up our original thing that we always do for these kind of integrals. We just kind of want to get those parameters in there, just make sure that we know what order is going to be in a little bit. And the way we do this is we're going to find for one of these partial fractions which section when x is equal to something is going to make it 0. So for example, if x is equal to 3 here, this whole thing is going to be undefined. So that's what we're going to do for the other one. So I'm going to kind of show you what I mean. It's a little weird to explain, but I'm going to make a equal to my top part of the original integral, which is this part up here, 3x plus 1 over my b term is separated with that is that bottom part of the b term of x minus 1. Now we need to find what makes x undefined, like what makes the a term undefined here. Well, it's at 3. So if we plug in that, we get 3 of 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1. And if we simplify that, we're going to get 5. Yeah, because we get 9 plus 1 over 2, which is 5. We get 5 for our a term. And then we do the same thing for our b term. So I'm going to plug in the 3x plus 1 that we had. I'm going to try to move this up a little bit real quick, because I guess move this down because it looks a little messy. b of 3x plus 1 over the other term now, which is going to be our a term, which is x minus 3. Okay, so what makes x minus 1 equal to 0? Well, if I plug in a 1 here, we just get this whole thing undefined. So we want to plug in a 1 for that 3. So we do b of 3 of 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 3. We simplify this out, and we get 4 over negative 2, which is negative 2, right? So now we found our a term. So if I go back to that integral, I'm going to plug in my a term up here, which was 5. 5 over x minus 3. I'm pretty sure that's what I had in there. Yep. 5 over x minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 over x minus 1. So instead of you having to do all that really bad, stupid crap with the, you have to say ax plus bx and do all that kind of bullshit, you can just do that. And then, you can just use logarithmic stuff. We get 5 ln absolute value of x minus 3 minus 2, I forgot the ln of the absolute value of x minus 1 plus your cheese, and then you're all good to go.